Hello! Hi everyone! Today's video, we're going to make a nice creamy dessert with extra coffee sensation that we can enjoy and have at home. Easy to make and of course with simple ingredients. Having this dessert in the afternoon? Sure. After dinner? Check. For breakfast? I don't see why not. So, stay tuned! First, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk the egg yolks and the sugar in a bowl. Gently mix until the sugar is incorporated with the yolks. And mix all together until the color turns slightly yellow or kind of pale. Add in all the liquid ingredients into a saucepan, such as heavy cream, milk, coffee, vanilla extract, condensed milk, on low heat, stir well and bring to a simmer. When it's ready, immediately remove from the stove and set aside. When the coffee mixture has cooled to lukewarm, gradually add in the coffee mixture into the yolk mixture. Gently mix everything until the sugar has completely dissolved. Pour the custard in each ramekins. Place the ramekins in a large baking dish. Then fill the pan with the hot water. The water bath creates a moist and humid environment for the creme brulee. Slowly place the baking dish into the oven and bake for around 40 to 50 minutes until the center of the custard slightly moves or until we have a jiggly center when the ramekin is gently shaken. Allow the ramekins to cool to room temperature. After 1 hour, move them into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to set, or overnight is the best. It's time for a special finishing touch. Sprinkle and cover the entire surface with a thin layer of granulated sugar as evenly as possible. And yes, caramelize the sugar with a kitchen torch and serve immediately or store in the refrigerator for up to 1 hour before serving. And yee! Our coffee creme brulee is ready! I'm so happy that I can enjoy this creamy, delicious dessert anytime I want. because the ingredients are so simple to find and so easy to make at home. Plus, with this coffee flavor, it's going to bring you to the Equator! Oh, it's rhyme. So don't forget to try this recipe at home. Bye!